Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, and disconnect the battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the card reader board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Lift the card reader board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and slide it out from under the retention tabs. Remove the card reader board and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the card reader board from the static dissipative bag. Tow the card reader board under the retention tabs on the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Insert the card reader board ribbon cable into the card reader board ZIF connector on the card reader board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.